Welcome back. Now that we have our script, we're going to generate an audio narration. As you can see, we are now at the Audio Engine 11 Lab. Now, 11 Labs is not the only audio generator available. As with the recording of this video, it is the most widely used and it is the most widely mentioned. And so if you choose not to use 11 Labs, you'll still want to undertake the process that we'll be looking at in this video. 11 Labs does have a limited level available at free, and then 2 additional levels before you would reach the $99 level as of the recording of this video. If you want to attempt to defray some of the cost, you can earn as an affiliate, you can earn as a voice actor on 11 Labs, you can earn as a data partner with 11 Labs. Now, this is not going to be a full-blown tutorial on the use of 11 Labs. We are in the speech synthesis interface. We are going to cut and paste our script into the text-to-speech engine. We're going to choose a specific voice. The voice we're going to choose is considered to be a reliable voice over longer periods of text. And so when we paste in our text, we're going to want to be mindful of any characters that are pasted in as a result of where you're pasting from. Now, you're going to want to be aware that even when you're testing to see if this script is going to work, that when you click Generate Speech, that will count against the credits that you have in your account. So whatever you can do to make sure that this information is accurate, you'll want to do it. Now, there are default settings and there are additional settings that you can undertake here inside of 11 Labs. And again, this is not a full-blown tutorial on 11 Labs. We're going to leave the default settings in place. What we're going to do now is we're going to click Generate Speech. 11 Labs is then going to generate in real time, and then we'll be able to hear the pronunciation that 11 Labs comes up with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.